guys, my name is Alaysia Chantae. If you'd like to know how I got this beautiful pink and red smoky eye, then just keep watching. Also, excuse my voice, I don't know why it sounds so hoarse today, but yeah. We're going to jump right into this freaking tutorial. So first, I'm going to take my box of crayons palette by the crayon case, and I'm going to take the pink matte shade in there. And I'm going to put this matte pink into my crease area, but I'm also going to blend it up into my transition just so that it can be nice and blended. Next, I'm taking the red from the same palette, and this is going to go into my crease as well. I'm making sure to make this red really deep because I want it to show through with this cut crease. So once I'm satisfied with that red, I'm going to take Deep Plum, and first I'm just going to outline the shape that I want this color to be, and then I'm going to go in with a bigger brush and basically blend it all out together. As you guys can see, I'm basically winging out this Deep Plum shade, and it's okay if it's not the neatest because we're going to clean it up before we add our foundation anyway, so if you get a little messy, don't worry about it. So now I'm just doing a regular smegular cut crease, nothing too special. This also doesn't have to be the neatest, but you know when your cut crease is super neat, it looks way better. But yeah, this is just a regular cut crease. I'm not going to wing this out. I'm just basically blanking out the space on my lid. So next I took Deep Plum and just blended that on the outer corner of the cut crease, and then I'm going to take the red as well and blend that right next to the Deep Plum just so that I can get a nice gradient effect going into the wing. For the middle of my lid, I'm going to use magenta and just basically pack that on kind of at an angle because I'm going for a certain shape. So just shape it how you want. Before moving on to the last shade, I went back in with the red just to blend it with the magenta. And then I went in with the white from this palette and I put that on the inner corner of my eye and to finish off that cut crease. So I went off camera and I added lashes, and now we're going to move into skin. And first we're going to prime. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. One of them is a pore minimizing and I think the other one just blurs. I like to use both, so that's what you guys see me doing here. So for foundation, I used the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. And I used 2 layers of this. I wasn't really satisfied with the first layer. I wanted a little more coverage. So you're going to see me going with another layer. But all of the products and shades that I used of the products are going to be left in my description box just to make it a little easier for you guys. The first concealer I'm going to use is the NYX HD concealer. I'm just going to use this one to color correct around my mouth and up under my eyes. This helps a lot. It's not too bright and it's really subtle. So I like to color correct with this concealer before going in with my bright concealer to brighten. So next I'm going to use the E.L.F 16-hour concealer, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face. I'm not sure what happened to the footage of me actually blending it out, but yeah, girl went missing. So you're just going to see me apply this, and then it's just going to jump to the next step. If you would like to see exactly how I highlight and contour my face in depth and step by step, I actually have a video, so I'm going to leave that linked at the top of this for you guys. So be sure to check that out if you struggle with highlighting and contouring. For contour, I'm going to use the black Opal True Color foundation stick, and I'm just going to put this in all the places that I contour, my jawlines, my nose, and my forehead, and just a little under my lip. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and I'm just going to set all of the places that I highlighted. Next, I'm taking this black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use the Sculpt shade to bronze. Taking that contour shade, I'm going to go over all of the places that I cream contoured. Next, I'm taking the ColourPop pressed powder, and I'm just going to use this to help buff away all of the loose powder that I use to set my face. Next, I went back to my eyes and I just added the deep plum, the pink, and the red to my bottom lash line. And for blush, I just mixed the pink and the red eyeshadows together, and it actually came out pretty good. I was scared it was going to look crazy, but it actually turned out pretty nice. To set my face, I use the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and then I'm going to use my sponge just to press all of that setting spray into my skin, and I just feel like it gives you more of a skin-like finish. Going back into the eyes, I took that white and put it in my inner corner and a little bit on the bottom of my lash line just to blend that all together. And then I'm going to move into highlighting my face using that same black Radiance contour palette. I'm just taking the highlight and I'm going to put that on my cheekbones, my eyebrow bones, and my nose, and I believe a little bit on my forehead. So next for lips, I just pretty much threw something together. I believe this lipstick is from L'Oreal, and then I topped that off with the NYX Butter Gloss. This is like my go-to lip gloss right now. I love it. It's so smooth. It smells good, and they have some really nice colors, but this is the only one that I have. I wanted to add a little bit of highlight to the middle of my lips, so I just took this E.L.F. lip gloss. I believe the color is Natural, and I just put that in the center, and I love how it came out. And then I almost forgot about my bottom lashes, so I went ahead and just added a little bit of mascara to those. And that's the finished look, you guys. A nice, simple, beginner-friendly cut crease. Nothing too freaking perfect. Like, I feel like anybody can pretty much do this look. You don't need to be super, super great at makeup. Also, don't forget to check out my highlighting and contouring video, you guys. It's super simple, super beginner friendly. I love doing beginner friendly videos. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more tutorials and more videos in general. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.